Hi everyone. Now we are at the topic of logarithms. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the equation into a log form. So before we start to show the example, let's look at this a power of n equals to x. If we have the form, the equation in this form, we can change it into the log form by converting it like this. Log, this is the base of log, and this is the base of index. So the base of index and the base of log, they will be the same, which I will put it here. And the x will be this value, and this is equals to the power of n. So the power of n will be somewhere over here. Okay, so now we move to example. Here I have a question A, equation A, from equation A to L. So let's look at the first one. We have a 5 squared equals to 25. If I would like to change into the log, this will be log. And the base will be the base of the index. That will be 5. And this 25 will be here. And the power is over here. This is the power, 5 power of 2, or in we can change back the log into the index form. 5 squared equals to 25. Okay, so if we have a 12 power of 0 equals to 1, okay, write down the log, stand for log, and the base 12 will be this one, and the 1 will be here, and the answer of the log 1 is 0, which is the 0 is the power of the base. Okay, and followed by the 8 equals to n power of 3 over 4. Again, I will change to the log form. The base of the index will be m, and the 8 will be over here, and this the log 8 base of m will be equals to 3 over 4. Alright, and 9 power of 1 over 2 equals to 3. We can change to the log form as well, where the base is 9, which is the same base as the base of the index, 9, and the 3 will be here. The power of base will be at the right hand side, followed by the p equals to q squared. Change to the log form. Again, we choose the one with the base, the index form. Now this is the index having the base of q, so for the log, the base will be over here, and it will be the p, log p to the base of q equals to the power of the index, that will be 2. So we can change back, okay, we can convert back this into the index form, which the q squared equals to p. Alright, 8 power of 1 over 3 equals to 2. So change to the log form. Again, the base of the index is the same as the base of the log, that will be 8. And the 2, log 2 base of 8 equals to 1 over 3. Alright, 1 over 3 is the power of the index, that will be 1 over 3. Okay, then third 8 equals to the 8 power of 1 over 2. We can have it as log base of 8, and third 8 equals to 1 over 2. Alright, meaning that to convert this into the log form, I will choose the one with the index form, and then taking the base, put it in the as a base of the log, and then the answer of this index, I will put it here, and the 1 over 2 is the power of the index. Alright, followed by the 2 equals to x power of y. So x power of y is in the index form. So I will take the base of the index, put it for the log, the base of the log, and then the 2 I will put it here. The power of the index, I will put it as the answer for the log. Log 2 of base of x equals to y. Alright, and question K, to change this into the log form, log, the base is 10, and then log 10,000 with the base of 10 it is equals to the power of the index, that is equals to 4. Okay, e power of s equals to 4. Again, convert to the log form. Choose the one with the index form having the base of e, then the base of e is the same of the base of the log. You put it here, and the 4 will be somewhere here, and the power of the index is equals to the answer for the log. Log 4 with the base of e equals to x. Or in other words, you can convert this back into the index form. That is e power of s equals to 4. Followed by the next question. 10 power of negative 2 equals to 0.01. So the one with the index form is this one. Take the base of the index, that is 10, put it here, and then 0.01 equals to the power of the index, that is negative 2. Alright. Then question for the F. The one with the index form is the 6 power of negative 1. So take the base of the 6 of negative 1, that the base is 6. So the 6 is the same as the base of the log. So we put it here, and the 1 over 6 equals to the power, that is negative 1. Alright. E power of 2 equals to y. So focus on the index number, the index form. Index form having the base of e, so our log will have the base of e, and then the y, log y to the base of e equals to the power of the index, that is 2. Alright, the last question. Index form is p power of q, so the base is p, so taking the base of p, you put it here, p. And then log r to the base of p equals to the power of the index form, that is the q. The power is the q, so this is equal to. Okay, so now we move to the next question. Similar to the question just now, we convert the index form into the log. Then now, vice versa, we are going to convert the log form into the index form. Okay. So for the question A, I have a log 16 base of 4 equals to 2. Convert this back to the index form. I got a 4 power of 2 equals to 16, where the base of the log now become the base of the index. Okay, and the 2 here will be the power of the index equals to the 16. Question B. To convert this log 1 base of 5 equals to 0, that will be 5 power of 0 equals to 1. And C, that will be 6 power of 1 equals to 1 over 6. 6 power of 1. Okay, here's some mistake. This should be negative 1. So 6 power of negative 1 will be equals to 1 over 6. Alright, and the D will be 8 power of 1 over 2 equals to third of 8. Alright, E will be, okay, ln stands for the log with the base of E. Alright, so now we are using the same as if that this is the log E, log base E, x equals to 4. So now convert this into the index form. We have a E power of 4 equals to x. Okay. And then the F, we have a E power of A equals to 0.5. G, we have a P power of R equals to Q. H, we have a power of B equals to 5. I, we have a 8 power of 2 over 3 equals to 4. Alright, where the base, now the base for the log, same with the base of the index. The power, we're taking the 2 over 3 as the power of the index, then this is equal to the 4 over here. Same thing for the question J, base of the index will be 3. Okay, power of 3 equals to 27. The K, we have the base A, power of 0 equals to 1. And the log A equals to B, we have the base of E, power of the B equals to A. With the question M, we have the base of x, alright, base of log, same with the base of the index. So I have x power of z equals to y, followed by the n, 36 will be the base, power of 1 over 2 equals to 6. Lastly, we have a 10 power of 1 equals to 10.